Praise the Lord, everybody. I'm Lady Jeanette Hannah, amen, from the Northeast District Council. We had a marvelous time this week. If you weren't here, you missed it, amen. But I'm inviting you to come out to the PAFW convention located in Atlanta this year, amen. We're going to have a glorious time in the Lord with the seminars and celebratory celebrations everywhere. We're inviting you to come on, Bishop. What do you think?
You're so right. Again, my friends out there, we would like to say to you, we've just come out of our council. We've had a tremendous time.
Yeah.
But the anointing continues in Atlanta, Georgia.
Yes, yes.
We leads there in the month of August. It's going to be off the chain. We have prolific speakers, well-renowned speakers, ministries, empowering seminars, and this is historical for us. We'll be remembering our presiding bishop during this council. So the good work is done. Please, all roads lead to Atlanta. Meet us there. In Jesus'
name, amen.